welcome back to my channel. I am Bodade. I study in 2nd A. Today I have got a school project, that's a clock that I will made from a damaged keyboard and a useless CD. Last year I also make a class project that also was a clock. I made that from paper plate. This time I will make it from this CD. If you don't watch my last year's that video, please check in the description box. Now let's start it. For numbers, we will use these 1 to 12 function keys, and we will remove it with the help of this tool, like this. We get this. Now we will stick it from the help of this Fevikwik. Now we will stick this numbers like this. This is here. Now we will stick this number here. Now we will stick the 3. Then 6. Now we will stick the 4 here. Now we will stick number 5. Now we will stick the number 7. Number 8. Now we will stick the number 10. And then the last 11. Now all the numbers are sticked. You can see. I take out this from my old clock and these hands. Now we will stick this with the help of Fevikwik. Now we will put the hands on the clock. Hour hand, minute hand, second eye. Now it is done. One o'clock. Now it's 2 o'clock. Now it's 4 o'clock. Now it's 5 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. The last 12 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.